Get ready to witness the future of supercars, the 2025 Lamborghini Aventador, an absolute beast that redefines speed, luxury, and innovation. If you thought Lamborghini had already reached perfection, think again. This machine is faster, sharper, and more high-tech than ever before, and today, on Luxury Cars Drive, we're giving you an exclusive look at this mind-blowing masterpiece. Under the hood, the heart of this raging bull is a monstrous naturally aspirated V12 engine, pushing out an insane 800 horsepower. That means you're getting a breathtaking 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed well over 220 miles per hour. Every push of the throttle delivers a symphony of raw power, an adrenaline rush like no other. But it's not just about brute force. The new Aventador features advanced AI-driven driving dynamics, ensuring that power is always in perfect harmony with control. Now, let's talk design. One glance at the 2025 Aventador, and you know it's a Lamborghini. But this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The aerodynamics have been completely reimagined with active air intakes, a dynamic rear wing, and a redesigned front splitter, all working together to provide maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. The sleek LED laser headlights give it a futuristic, razor-sharp look, while the wide-body stance screams dominance on the road. And those iconic scissor doors. They're still here, but now with smart sensors that detect obstacles and adjust their opening angle automatically. Step inside, and you're transported into the cockpit of the future. The interior is wrapped in premium Alcantara leather with carbon fiber accents, giving it a race-ready yet luxurious feel. The fully digital 3D dashboard offers real-time driving data, performance analytics, and even an AI co-pilot that assists in optimizing handling, braking, and acceleration. But Lamborghini didn't stop there. This Aventador is loaded with cutting-edge technology, including a next-gen infotainment system with a 12-inch OLED touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a voice-activated AI assistant that responds to your commands instantly. Need to adjust the drive mode? Just say the word. Want to open the exhaust valves for an even louder roar? Done. And let's not forget the sound. The exhaust note of this V12 is nothing short of a mechanical symphony, engineered to send chills down your spine every time you rev the engine. Whether you're cruising the streets or tearing up the track, the Aventador's sound alone is enough to turn heads. This is not just a car. It's an icon, a statement, a machine built for those who demand the absolute best in speed, performance, and luxury. The 2025 Lamborghini Aventador isn't just the future of Lamborghini, it's the future of supercars. Don't just dream about it, experience it, only on Luxury Cars Drive.